Hey, good afternoon. Here's Wednesday. It's the 27th. Just want to get a video out to you guys, kind of talk about what's happened here after Christmas here, and just see what the charts look like and go through them, and we'll talk to you about them and uh, move. Just kind of what our thoughts are going forward. If you haven't read Phil's stuff, it's kind of been kind of hold and wait and see. We might have lows in place, but kind of need more confirmation here moving forward to truly determine that. Tim is out with the family matter, so if you're trying to reach him at all and you can't, just please don't hesitate to reach out to Phil or I. We can try to help you out as best we can. So, uh, right now, I have the March corn pulled up here, and yesterday was a really nice day. Pretty good up day yesterday. If you weren't paying attention, today it was just an inside day. Not a lot happening. They tried to sell it a little bit and kind of bounced off the lows. So uh, it's good that it stayed kind of in the top half of the range yesterday. So it closed back up in there. So really need to get above yesterday, gets above our line, which is good. Uh, if we can get it back above, close above 490 would be good. Probably will determine if we get a low in place, and definitely that may end up getting to a test of 5 if we can. So uh, not a lot to talk about. Just sit and hold, see what happens over here. Probably will be more determined after the new year when guys really get back into the mode of trading and determination of kind of what we think this market's going to do. December corn, uh, same type of situations, kind of bouncing around our line a little bit. So really nice that $5 is held for quite a long time here. So throughout all this, so uh, again, need to get above these levels, get some closes above these things. This 520 level, close above there would be good. And obviously, anything above 525 or so really makes us look for a bigger rally. So uh, just keep in mind what's going on. We'll keep you updated. But as of right now, just kind of sit and hold for with what you got. If you haven't sold any, just sit and wait for a little bit. If you've got some sales on, definitely think about some calls just in case we get a rally going here. So if you have a question on how to do that, please don't hesitate to reach out. Kansas City wheat, nice day up yesterday. It was up 22, I think, yesterday. Uh, Again, tried to sell it off, but closed back off its low this morning or today, off 6 on the day. Closing back above the 32% retrace or the 62% retracement of this move. Sorry, got a frog in my throat. And really like to see it close above yesterday's high. Get it back above 650, and maybe we can get back, or we can test 680 again. And if that's the case, then $7 may be back in play. So really like to see that happening. Right now it's kind of in no man's land a little bit. So again, sit and hold. If you got old crop, just kind of sit and wait here a little bit, trying to see what's happening. If you need to, if you need to sell cash before the end of the year, we understand, and you want to reown, please reach out. We can help point you in the right direction of how to do that. So new crop wheat looks pretty good, really. I mean, got this low here. There is a chance that we're not quite finished with the whole down move. That's what the red 4 indicates. But also, we're got this move here. We bounced off of it. We took a retracement and we're bouncing back up through it. So, really like to see more confirmation to get through this. Above yesterday's high on a closing basis. That'll put these highs back in play. And maybe if we can get above these, we can get more of a rally out of this thing. If we do, it's going to be dependent on how it gets there, whether we determine whether we need to be putting on new crop wheat sales. So, uh, again, if you got new crop wheat sales on and you want to re-own it, uh, again, reach out. We'll try to talk you through that, how we would think best to do that for you, because each guy's a little different in their situation. So, soybeans, a lot of talk of the drought in Brazil, really pushing us forward. Still have shipping problems in some areas of the world, but I really think it's going to be a confirmation of what that Brazil crop is really going to drive this market. here you see all kinds of things. Some beans are good, some beans are terrible. You've got all kinds of estimates out there from 117 million tons to 150 still. So there's all kinds of numbers out there. It's hard to get a good read on what's really going on. So it's probably going to take some time to work that out. Just kind of going to get through their harvest. It's pretty much what's going to determine what they actually have down there. So uh, obviously, either that's supporting our market, and that's why we're not dying, or we're going to put some real premium on this if it's really become a problem down there. So that's really going to ramp up our export sales. I'd assume we've had quite a bit. Still would like to see more to really get a really good rally going. So again, lot of attention on the Brazil market, and we've got plenty here for now, and how the biofuel issue comes around. If we keep getting support for the biofuel market with the soybean oil, that will create a lot of crush problems here, as far as if we can crush enough, and if we have enough beans in the U.S. for that market. So a lot of questions. So as of right now, we're not recommending anything. Continue to watch the market, let this thing work itself a little bit, and moving forward, if you want to re-own any cash sales, uh, we fully support that. We think there is a rally, but again, we think this is a really nice setup. You've got a ABC pattern coming off this move, nice three-wave move. You got a retracement, and then back up, where you've got the big, nice day yesterday, and we tried to sell it off. We've got a big lower shadow, so there definitely is some buying underneath this market, and so we kind of really like this market at the moment. So we'll see if that continues. Obviously, need to see more follow through. See if we can get a bigger rally going. So just kind of stay tuned and watch out as far as new crop beans. Kind of same thing. Kind of just letting this market work a little bit. It is below our line, so we are keeping our eye on it. But you've got this rally and this retracement here going on. Obviously, we want to see it back above our line, but with these days here, it really looks like a nice setup for a little bit more rally, depending on how that works, and how the chart looks at the moment, whether we're talking about new crop sales, if we on a rally situation. Now, break below these lows, break below 1250 on a closing basis is probably not great, because then you're going to go test, the 1240 level again, and anything below that is a no-go. So obviously that's a pretty big area in the 1240 to 1250 range that we've really got to watch for new crop beans. So that's about all I have. Just wanted to send out a quick message, kind of show the charts, see what they're doing. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out. Hopefully Tim will be back. There's a chance he may not be back in the office this week, but again, reach out to Phil and I if you can't get a hold of Tim. And as always, there is risk trading in futures and options, and it does carry significant risk. So trade in light of your financial conditions. Always consult a professional if you need help. So again, hope your holidays are great. Hope your New Year's is great. We'll try to get another video out probably Friday. Otherwise, we'll talk to you later.